Hello everyone, in this video given are two concentric circles with different radii. A line is drawn which is tangent to the circle having smaller radius and is a chord to the circle having greater radius. If the length of this line segment is 16 unit, then by this limited data we have to find the area of this shaded region. Before moving toward the solution, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Now the solution, we draw the radial line of a smaller circle and touching the tangent point. We know that a radial line is always perpendicular to the tangential line, and it divides this chord into two equal parts. So this length is 8 units and this length is also 8 unit. Moreover, we gave the name to this radius of smaller circle as R1. Now we draw the radius of this larger circle to this point and let we name it as R2. We can see that this figure is a right triangle in which hypotenuse is R2, one leg is 8 and other leg is R1. Now using famous Pythagorean theorem on this uh, triangle, we have R2 square is equal to R1 square plus 8 square, and from here we can take R1 square to the left, so R2 square minus R1 square, this is equal to 64. Now area of this shaded region is equal to the area of this outer circle, which is larger circle having radius R2, and minus area of the inner circle having radius R1. So we know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So area of this outer circle is pi r2 square minus area of the inner circle is pi r1 square. Taking pi common from this relation, we have pi times r2 square minus r1 square, and our value of this expression r2 square minus r1 is 64. So substituting this value over here, we will get area of shaded region is equal to pi times 64, that is 64 pi square units, which is the required answer. Thank you for watching.